All right, I gotta say this. Most managers are not great at interviewing, and this has serious business consequences. 46% of all hires fail within 18 months. That is a huge cost to businesses. It is a huge risk to the teams that you as a manager are trying to build. And what's more, it is a huge risk to your career as a manager. Yes, of course, we think we're good at interviewing because after all, interviews are a conversation, right? Wrong. Interviews are an assessment, and it is your job as an interviewer to lead that conversation, to know exactly what evidence, what facts you want to surface during the hiring process, during the interview, that will enable you to make the right decision for your team. And if you as a manager have not invested in becoming a proficient interviewer, if you do not have the reps, the 10,000 hours you need to master that skill, then you are failing yourself. You're failing your team and you're failing your business. What's worse, a candidate that does know interviewing frameworks, that does know how to follow up, how to actually tell their story, how to position themselves as an employee of choice for your business, will be able to actually make the decision of who to hire for you. That doesn't mean that they are the right person to do the job. That does not mean that they are the most competent candidate in the room. It does, however, mean that they are the most confident speaker that simply has had enough experience in interviewing to run circles around you. This is why, as a leader, it is important to master the skill of hiring, to master the skills involved in interviewing, in assessing candidates. Because if you surround yourself with the wrong people in your business, it is your career, you personally, that will end up paying the price, having to pick up the pieces, having to pay for it from your own pocket if you are a founder. This is why hiring is such a critical part of making the right business decisions. Without the right people, your business suffers. Without the right people, your AI strategy cannot be implemented. Without the right people, your business is dead in the water. So take the time to learn how to hire. Take the time to actually read books on hiring. Treat it as a core leadership skill. And with that, you can move your business forward, you can move your team forward, and you can move your career forward.